Hello and welcome to my tour today. We are going to be going to a walking tour and driving tour through Celebration, Florida. This is a town that Walt Disney actually dreamt up. It's very cool, as you're going to see. This little area reminds me so much of Disney Studios, which was once Hollywood Studios. They were having a little market thing going on with fruits and vegetables and all kinds of crafts and holiday ideas. As you can see, it's the Christmas holiday. It's probably, I think, December 20th, as it's today actually that I went there. See, does not remind you of Disney Studios? So for Disney fans, it's definitely a town that you want to check out. It's very close to Kissimmee, probably 20 minutes maybe drive. There are a lot of various lakes and neighborhoods in this town, and I'm going to take you on a little stroll around. It's very beautiful. I typically film resorts, but once in a while I live on the edge and take my camera out and film different towns. This one's very unique. It has all kind of unique, very interesting houses, a lot of houses that look very New England. It's just an interesting town. You have to check it out. And this is the Bohemian Hotel. I'm going to link right here a link of a full video that I did of this place. If you like this video, please subscribe. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.